Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're showing you these multicolored tie-dye related socks. High quality fabric, comfortable and breathable. So this is about the size you can get. Now this is a unisex, so male, female, or whatever, for both. As you can see, very nice, bright, vibrant colors. So this is like a white with, I don't know, maybe very light browns color. This is white with kind of a green color. Of course, white and orange, white and blue. Those are really nice. Remind me of a nice blue sky day with a couple clouds in sight. And then you got black with white. All right, let's go ahead and put it on, show you guys how they look on. All right, guys, so this is how they look on someone that wears a size 12 to 13 shoe. So that's how they look on me. They're tight, but they feel good. But they also will fit someone with smaller feet, much smaller feet, male or female. That's the nice thing about these socks. They will fit a very wide range of different feet size.